Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
This is Theosophical Society. That's trademark. Ram Krishna. Salvation Army.
Actually, we're the only Salvation Army.
The authority of a authority, we're accepting his authority, but his experience comes from his direct perception, which is comes back to...
We don't take such authorities who takes experience from others. We take authority who is
experience.
Automatically. Parasya Shakti Vividhaiva Sriyate Savaviki Jnana. Savavika, just like if you ask me how to do something, if I say, yes, you do like this. Savaviki. I've got by nature knowledge how to do it perfectly. That is going on. Maya dhakshena prakriti shyate sacharachanam. Krishna is dictating that you do like this. So see, everything is coming perfect. From the neem seed, a neem tree will come. It is so nicely made by Krishna. Bijahang sarvabhutan. Where it will come neem tree, not mango tree. The chemicals are so combined, you do not know what is there. A small seed, buttermilk, and a huge banyan tree will come out. Not other tree. That is knowledge. He has given the whole, operation in a small seed. Therefore Krishna says, Bijahang sarvabhutan. There is no mistake. You simply take it and cultivate, you'll get result.
So that principle, which makes things grow, everything, the Isopanishad says, Sohamasmi, I am that principle. The Isopanishad says, in the ultimate
Asmi means
Sohamasmi.
It is my energy. It is my energy.
No, it says...
If I say that I am Ishkar, what is wrong there? Because I have created you. Therefore I say, Ishkar means I am Ishkar. So what is wrong there? It is like that. By energy of Krishna, everything has come out. Therefore it says, I am this, I am this, I am this, I am this. Vanipedia. Because everything, everything has come from Krishna.
No, the Isopanishad says that you are that principle.
Huh?
The Isopanishad says the principle
Yes,
which is lighting the sun.
That
I am that principle, that is the being that is lighting the sun, I am that.
I don't follow.
Sohamasmi. That
Like
16th.
sun is a money.
Yeah, Sohamasmi, because I am part and parcel.
No, but it says I am that, not that I am part of that. I am that.
If it is said, it can be accepted, because I am qualitatively the same.
Quantity, much different.
Yeah. See, if I say I am Indian, what is wrong there? If I say I am Indian.
That is something else.
Yeah,
but
not
to
something
directly
else.
accept the Shruti, it says you are that same principle.
Therefore you have to learn from the Guru. And if you directly take, then you remain a fool. Therefore require a Guru. That is the instruction of Shruti. Tadvijnanatham sa guru eva. And to learn Shruti, you have to come to a Guru.
No, but this is after that. The ultimate conclusion of that Upanishad, Shruti, the authority, that you are that same principle.
Yes, I am the same principle.
In quality.
Nitya Nityanam.
Well, nothing can be more eternal than another eternal.
Everyone
is
is
contradictory then. Nitya Nityanam.
Yeah.
You cannot say that one thing is more eternal than another thing.
No, that is not eternal. Everyone is eternal. So
how can one be more
God
eternal
is eternal, so you are also eternal. Because you have accepted this material body, you are foolishly thinking that you are not eternal. Otherwise, as God is eternal, you are also eternal.
Then why should one be distinguished from another if they're both eternal?
This sun is just like the sun, distinguished from the sunshine. But qualitatively, heat and light is there. But because sunshine is there, you cannot say sun is there. That you cannot. Masani sarva bhutani naham teju avashu. Clearly.
I think Swamiji explained this and I could draw rationality from it. That is, I am Isha, but not I am Sarvesha. I am Atman, but not Paramatma.
That is explained.
I am Hamsa, but not Paramahamsa.
You have to take reference.
That is how I found
Ishara Parama Krishna. I am also Ishara. That I explained from the time.
That is
But that doesn't mean I am Parameshwara. Parameshwara is Krishna. What is this meaning?
Aham Brahmasmi I was not able to explain till I heard Swamiji on the first day at Rajeshwari Mandapam. That fits in. Otherwise, Mayavadin's all right, but Shankaracharya is saying Aham Brahmasmi. Why you say no? Because so many persons ask me questions. And when I was confronted, I was not able to say that. But the way the mukti was defined, mukti, yes, and in the lecture, and Isha, Sarvesha, all those things, Atman, Paramatma, Hamsa, Paramahamsa, there I found that it can be explained. Because so many persons, they ask in public meetings like Lions Club, where we take up these topics, then we feel at our wit's end, but now I think I can explain that.
That my explanation is all right?
Yes, that is how I And that is what will apply also to Achyutananda Swami's question also, I think.
No, I'm just fencing.
No, that's all. I know.
So Durga is higher than Vishnu because Vishnu required Durga to awaken him from the Yoga Nidra to kill Madhu and Kaitab.
Yes, if I
So
ask
she
my
controls
son
him.
that you ask me to get up at 7 o'clock, that does not mean.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.